Hi guys, messed up today. I left my toolbox and I'm already at the job. Now, the choice is go back and pick up the toolbox or just have these two tools to work with. Let's see how it goes. Let's have a look at the job. And it's a Gledhill Pulsacoil to repair and see if I can sort that out. Hi guys. So I didn't have my toolbox today and luckily it was an easy repair. The off-peak measure was stripped out. That was due to having lack of water in the header tank. Now the power is coming to the measuring stat, but it's not going through to the other side. So all you gotta do is press that reset button in. Guys, if your boiler's ever broken down, domestic or commercial, combination boiler or a tank system, give us a call. We repair majority of these boilers, old or new. And a lot of our repairs are done on the same day or on the first trip. You can contact us on this number displayed. Thanks for watching the video and I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah.